Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you an irresistible garden salad and chicken recipe. Here I have 2 cucumbers, 2 carrots, some cherry tomatoes and cabbage. Let's prep them up for the salad. I'll start with the carrot. Here I'm using a multifunctional vegetable grater. You can grate or dice your carrots however shape you like, but this is what I'm going for. So right here I'm done with the carrot. I'll go ahead to transfer it into a large container. Then I went ahead to grate the cucumbers. Again, you can grate it however shape you like. You can slice it, you can dice it, however you want. Do you. Just do what you like. And I went ahead to slice the tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, and I transferred it into the container and onto the cabbage. I'm using half of the cabbage. I sliced it into, and I took the half portion, sliced it all up, chopped it up, sliced it. I'm done slicing the cabbage. I'm going to transfer it into the container. So I will be storing this in my fridge for the week. I'll be storing this in my fridge because it's a lot. I'm not eating it in a go. I'm prepping it for the week. So I'll be storing it in my fridge. So when it's time to use it, I just dish it out, use the dressing of my choice, my mayo, whatever dressing I choose to use, I go ahead to use that. And here I went in with my hands to scoop the one I'm going to be mixing right now because it's my meal, nothing fancy. I'm the one eating it, so I went in with my hands. I'm using 2 brands of mayo, so I went in with a tablespoon of each and squeeze in some lemon juice. That should be about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili pepper flakes, and a tablespoon of honey. Black pepper will go in place of the chili pepper. I didn't have that, so I had to use chili pepper flakes. And I mix it up very well, stir to mix, and add it to my salad, to my vegetable. I mix in the dressing. I stir, making sure the mayo, the dressing, coats every bit of the vegetable. And look at what we have here. Beautiful deliciousness. I tossed that into my fridge because I'll be saving it cool, and went ahead to fry my chicken. If you want to see a video of how I fry my chicken, I have a video in my channel. I'll link it, and also in the description you can check out how I season and fry my chicken. When I was done frying the chicken, I served the salad and the chicken, and guys, it was delicious and I enjoyed every bit of it. Give this video a like if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.